Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how Zeely'S AI tools make ad creation faster and more efficient. If you've been struggling with the time-consuming process of designing ads manually, Zeely'S AI-powered features can help streamline that process and boost your ad campaign results. Zeely'S AI tools start by analyzing your campaign goals. Whether you're aiming for increased engagement, higher conversion rates, or greater brand awareness, the AI uses this information to recommend the best ad templates. This means you don't have to waste time searching for a template that fits your goals. Zeely'S AI instantly gives you options that align with your objectives. Once you've selected a template, the AI can help customize it to match your brand style. You can input your brand colors, logo, and even fonts, and Zeely will automatically apply them to your ad design. No more fiddling with manual adjustments or trying to make everything look perfect. Zeely'S AI does the heavy lifting for you. The next step is crafting the ad copy. With Zeely'S AI, you don't have to brainstorm catchy headlines or taglines. The tool generates compelling ad copy that resonates with your target audience. Based on your campaign goals, it analyzes successful ads from across the platform and uses this data to craft copy that has been proven to work. Zeely also provides real-time optimization suggestions. As you work on your ad, the AI continuously analyzes how well your ad is shaping up. It offers recommendations on how to improve design elements, copy, and targeting to maximize the impact of your campaign. Whether it's tweaking the visuals or adjusting the tone of your ad copy, the AI helps you make decisions that will make your ad more effective. Another time-saving feature is Zeely's integration with multiple platforms. Once your ad is ready, you can launch it across various platforms with a single click. Zeely's AI adapts the ad to fit the different requirements of each platform, from Facebook to Instagram and even Google Ads, saving you the hassle of creating multiple versions of the same ad. In addition, Zeely's AI provides data-driven insights into the performance of your ads. After your campaign goes live, you'll receive analytics on how it's performing in real time, including which ad elements are working and which ones need adjustment. This allows you to make informed decisions on how to tweak your future campaigns for even better results. With Zeely's AI tools, creating high-performing ads has never been faster or easier. The platform removes much of the guesswork and tedious manual work involved in ad creation, enabling you to focus on the bigger picture, your campaign goals. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.